Last week, we talked about the potential dangers of AI.
And this week, we're going to talk about the cool things that you can do to create a masterpiece with AI.
We're going to do more than that. You're going to show us a use case, and Donald and I are going to react.
It's going to be pretty corny, I can guarantee you that. So, here we go.
Here we go, it's the Web3 show. Before you know, it will be Web 4, then Web 5, Web 6, Web 7. But now it's Web 3, so let's all go to heaven on a podcast here. This ish is the best. Learn and laugh with Travis and listen to Chris. Donna lives in the house with Verity and Nova, talking about AI to help you get over. Yeah, like I said, it's the Web3 show. Now you know what you didn't, so let's freaking go.
Welcome back to another Web3 Wednesday on the Web3 show. Last week, we talked about at length the potential dangers of AI.
Yes, the perils of AI. This week, we're going to talk about what's possible with AI.
And I can't wait to see what the wizard has in store. Donald, you haven't seen this, but I've gotten a sneak peek.
Okay, I'm excited. Come on, Travis. Show it to me.
So, real quick, I'm going to show you what's been going on with this, what you can do with AI. So what we've done is we've created corn wizards. So these corn wizards are created 100% in Midjourney. So these are all art that I've created by telling it what I want it to do, right? Then I started thinking, wow, these were kind of cool corn wizards, but where are the corn ladies? Where's, we got to get some of them in there. We got to figure it out. And so then the brain started going. And now what has happened is this is turning into a whole universe. And I've done it all in AI.
Over here, the Cornucopia Chronicles, this is actually a working chapter right here. So what I did was I used some AI. I used ChatGPT to really help me come through and create this. And I fill it with information. It pops out and gives me additional information. So I'm having fun with this. What ended up happening was, as a result of playing around, I figured, wow, this right here is interesting. I think it's fun. I think your children are going to like it. And basically, I was able to say, hey, what all could this be? And it seems to me the cornucopia is a little bit of Care Bears mixed with maybe a little bit of Veggie Tales, mixed with a little bit of Sweet Pickles books, which we'll talk about later. And then also a mix of Harry Potter and Game of Thrones. So who out there likes Harry Potter or Game of Thrones? Who of those people have children? Who of those people need something positive? Something that inspiring, something educational, entertaining, and a lot of corny jokes that can teach morals and help you understand and have better emotional intelligence. So that's really what we're doing, is piecing all that together and having fun in the process and creating a fun world along the way. So there it is. What do you think of that, Chris? Donald, what do you think?
Here's what I can say, Travis. The theme is universal. Everyone eats corn. Everyone loves corn. Corn coming to life. Very corny. Hilarious. I really love
the corniest guy. I'm the corniest guy at this point.
I really love the fusion of the concepts coming from Harry Potter and Game of Thrones and every blockbuster series there was. Why reinvent the wheel when you can fuse everything to become the grand wheel? And because of the many corny characters that I've seen, the storytelling possibilities are infinite. And I'm excited as this can resonate across cultures and across demographic groups. We have something very powerful here. So for me, 2 corns up, or should I say 100% rotten corns for me.
Rotten corn. Nice.
Rotten Tomatoes is going away. It's now about rotten corn. I mean, what's incredible, Donald, and I've had the chance to even read more of this. Travis has built a whole treatment. There's like 3 chapters of the first book has been written already. There's a Discord channel to talk about, but just unbelievable. Literally in 7 days. I mean, we're talking about a week ago. Wow. This was all from zero to here, and just exciting to see where this can go and the potential that AI working with a human like yourself with a creative mind, Travis, is unlocking. So good job, my friend.
Hey, well, thank you guys. Well, what I would say is that this just shows the power of AI as a super intelligent assistant. Because for me to be able to think it, tell it to do something, and have that immediately done so that I can build on that immediately, that's a game changer. And I think that's why AI can really help augment you. I would say this, AI is not going to take your job. AI is going to be, your job's going to be taken by someone who's great at using AI to augment that job. So get good is what I would say at this point.
Awesome. Join the Discord channel of the Corny Kingdom of Cornucopia. It's time to go to Nova.
Let's get into it. $2.53 billion in capital was deployed to blockchain and crypto companies in Q1. Layer 0, a blockchain messaging platform, raises $120 million in Series B funding and has raised $250 million to date. Ledger, the French crypto wallet startup, raises $108 million. Web3 protocol, Polytrade, raises $3.8 million in seed funding to streamline supply chains through real-time data. Dragonfly Capital invests $10 million in BitGet, a crypto derivatives exchange. Back to you, Chris and Travis.
Thanks, Nova. You know, $2.5 billion ain't bad for a quarter. I know we're in a VC and a crypto winter, but a lot of money going into the space still in key areas, Travis.
That's true. You know, we saw in the past 20+ billion in a quarter, not strange in the crypto world. So it is less, but we're still moving in the right direction. I mean, there's a lot of stuff being built in this space. As you can tell, every week, Nova's telling you who's getting the money. Follow the money, and you're going to see some cool stuff that's going to be being built. So thank you so much, I guess, for tuning in. We really appreciate that. If you liked what you hear, make sure to subscribe over here or there, or click that video or like this. And we appreciate it. Thank you so much.
Stay corny.
Oh, stay corny.
Yeah.